Mag-isa pa tayo.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever so I can hold you.
Kamusta? Ako nga pala si Juno, tubong Palawan, isang simpleng tao na nangangarap tulad ninyo. Tara't samahan niyo ako sa aking biyahe na punong-puno ng tawanan, kwentuhan, kabaliwan at syempre kapupulutan ng aral. Bawat biyahe natin, makikita nyo kung gaano kaganda ang Palawan na tinaguriang The Last Frontier.
Count to 10, then open up my eyes. If you're gone, I'll take it as a sign. But if you stay, then baby hold me tight and send me on.
Ito panibagong araw na naman ang ating gagawin. Andito tayo ngayon sa Astoria, Palawan. Pumunta tayo dito sa guest natin na si Sir from LA. Dito sa Palawan, Puerto Princesa City. Dahil nagpunta tayo sa vlog. Nagpunta tayo ng Magura Beach, tapos nag-falls tayo. Tapos hindi ko na binidyo yung sunset kasi wala namang sunset. Pero ganun pa man, maganda pa rin yung kinalabasan ng or yung output ng video or ng ginawa naming gala or activity dito sa Palawan. Chill ride yung ginawa namin. Chill loop. Hindi siya loop eh. Chill lang, basta napaka-chill lang din talaga. Tapos ang sarap doon sa mga lugar na yung kasi tahimik, tapos walang tao. Bukod pa doon, hindi siya sobrang init. At ito ngayong araw na to, dito tayo sa Astoria, Palawan para maligo sa water park. Diba? Maligo tayo sa water park, tapos mag-slide tayo, mag-video tayo doon. Madaming gagawin tayong activity ngayon dito, pero dito lang tayo sa Astoria, hindi tayo lalabas ng Astoria. Dito lang yung pinaka-activity natin. Nagbiyahe lang ako from Puerto Princesa City to Astoria, Palawan, San Rafael. Ang hours ng biyahe natin is 1 hour, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, 1 hour, ganyan. Chill ride lang, hindi tayo nagmamadali. Pero kung medyo nagmamadali ka, kaya to sa 45 minutes to 40 minutes. Pero sa akin, chill ride lang, okay na yun. Dito tayo ngayon, at punta na tayo sa water park. So, tara!
So I found myself in tears. Every day was filled with fear. When you feel you wanted more, and suddenly
Shoutout ka pala kay Louie na hindi nakasama dito ngayon. Dahil busy daw sa school. Wala sa buhay mo.
There is nothing else to do. I would like to have it back. It's broken and far from.
Dahil pag dito ka na, kailangan mo muna mag-sign in, magbumili ng ticket para maka-avail ka ng mga food doon sa baba. At the same time, para maka-access ka ng food din lang. Dito. Diba? The water park. Kailangan na to para makapaglabas-pasok. Meron tayong
I know what's on your mind, but now it's not too long.
Anong water park dito sa Astoria, Palawan, San Rafael? Louie, shoutout sa'yo Louie. Louie, shoutout sa'yo. Sana masaya ka sa ginagawa mo sa araw na to. Si Mali, shoutout din sa'yo. Dito guys, yung pool siya na parang river. Tapos sasakay ka lang doon. Ay ano ka lang, lalangoy ka, liligo ka. Tapos dadaling ka na niya doon sa unahan. Diba? Tayo ngayon, dito tayo, maliligo tayo. Hindi tayo gagamit ng salvavida. Dahil langoy lang tayo. Langoy. Pagkaya tayo. Tara! Yan na, yan na, yan na. Yan na, yan na, yan na. Yan na, buhos na.
What's on your mind, but now it's time to move on. Enough with all the answers. There's nothing here to light up. 1 hour left up here. Let's make the most of this night. I wonder if you're alright. Whenever you want me back, I'd love to fight.
May wave na dito. Dito tayo. Magpapa-wave. Ayan nyo. Parang man-made wave. Hey! Hey! Ito yung man-made wave. Yan na guys, may wave na guys. May wave na. Sir. Sir. Oh. Yan na. Alam mo yung parang kang bata na first time mo lang nakaganto. O da? May alon dito sa swimming pool. May alon sa swimming pool. Alon sa swimming pool. Consistent. Consistent na alon eh. Lubog tayo try natin. Lubog.
Dati mas natural. Parang dagat yung kanina. Ito parang washing machine.
Hindi, ito yung sa dagat yung nagapanghigop, papatayin ka.
pati niya pa si Kuya.
Paano ba?
Iba naman klase to.
Sa gilid naman. Ilang klase ng alon mayroon? 5? 6? Okay.
Ano raw?
Masisira daw.
Sira?
Masisira. Bag. Mga painting siguro.
A few moments later.
JDTV. Yan guys, dito na tayo sa slide. Napaka taas na slide. Kuya, pangalan mo kuya?
Jan.
Sir Jan, si Kuya Jan. Slide tayo dito, try natin kung kaya natin.
Ano kaya, sir?
Ayun oh. Pabya.
Nakatabay.
Ito nga. Ano ba yung maganda? Ganto?
Pwede yan, sir. Pwede nga. Kung kailangan mo kasi siyang ilipto ng konti, sir.
Yan.
Nakaangat siya konti, sir.
Ay,
Pero mas maganda mag-video, sir, pag walang mat. Nakahiga ka lang ngayon, nakahiga. Hawak mo lang ng gano'n. Anong gusto mo, sir?
paano po?
Yung walang mat. Nakahiga lang kayo, pakakain na kayo.
Sige, pwede rin yun. So yun guys, mag-slide tayo ng walang gamit na ano yun kuya?
Blue mat.
Blue mat. So ito lang, game na to. G! Ika! Enjoy. Masaya.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed?
Okay, games?
We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts, 'cause I don't wanna waste my time.
Ayun na po. 3, 2, 1, go!
If we don't feel the same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't want it all, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts, 'cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No. Maybe you don't wanna know, you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts, 'cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No, no, I don't wanna waste my time.
At kung di ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bagong video na ginagawa ko. Kagaya nito at marami pang iba. Dito ko natatapusin yung video na to. Bye bye!
reaching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really